Welcome to our deluxe balcony room on the Princess Regal, the new Love Boat. We are on our first Princess cruise. We are on the Regal Princess on an 8-night Caribbean cruise to 4 ports.
Yes. We are Rich and Robin.
And these are our midlife adventures.
Living in and out of our midlife van.
Just over a month ago, we were researching cruises to do out of Florida in January. We were trying to find some last minute deals, go someplace warm, go to some Caribbean islands.
Because we'd never been to the Caribbean.
We had never been to the Caribbean. And so we found some cheaper cruises than the one we picked, but I really liked the ports on this trip. So we ended up for $1,500
getting 8 nights.
8 nights, 4 ports. That included taxes and port fees,
which could add up a lot.
An interior room, because we just wanted to get the cheapest room on the boat. Which
just to try it out. We haven't been on Princess yet. Let's try out, see what the inside room's going to look like.
And I thought, well, maybe when it gets closer, they'll have some upgrade offers. And if they do, they do. And if they don't, we'll just try out the interior. Just about a week before.
4 or 5 days.
I think it was 8 days before we were to board. I didn't even get an email about it. I just found on the website on Princess when I was looking around that you can bid for an upgrade. And I thought, maybe we might want to do that. Let's see what the minimum bids are. So there was 4 options for bidding. I think there was an obstructed ocean view or obstructed ocean view, obstructed balcony, a regular balcony, and a deluxe balcony. And so the most expensive, of course, would be the deluxe balcony, which was a minimum bid of $180. I think for the lowest upgrade ocean view, it was $100, and that's per person for the whole 8 days.
Right, not per night, but for the total.
So I bid the minimum for every category except for the deluxe balcony. I'm like, I'll just bump it up $20 a person. So I did a $200 minimum bid per person for the deluxe balcony obstructed view. So then I think it was a couple days later that I got 3 emails. You didn't win, you didn't win, you didn't win. But it didn't say what you didn't win. So I was like, well, that's interesting. So I went back to the upgrade page, and there it told me what I didn't win. And that
the 4th one is still pending.
The deluxe balcony wasn't approved or disapproved. And within a half hour, I got the next email that says, you are approved for your upgrade. So I immediately went back to the Princess site to see how much was this room if I were to book it that day, 5 days before cruising. And it was $600 more than what we ended up paying out of pocket. So I think we still got a little deal.
I mean, our intent was to try to go on the cheap.
Yes.
And I think we still did, you know. So I think it's still what we end up with? $1,900?
$1,900?
Yeah, $1,900.
For 8 nights for the 2 of us?
With port fees, taxes, and everything.
Yeah.
So we did not go with the extra pack. 2 different
Plus.
Upgraded ones.
Yeah.
They have a Princess Plus, which takes all your gratuities, your Wi-Fi, and drinks. And then they have a Premier, which does that, plus I think you get free photos.
Right. Welcome to our deluxe balcony room on the Princess Regal. We have the bathroom and a closet. We have lots of hangers. So I think we'll be okay with hangers. Otherwise we could ask. Nice little shelf and our life jackets for safety.
Most important.
There's also another little mini closet that has the safe and more shelving. There's a full-length mirror. Can you see that? Got a full-length mirror, which is great. And then our bathroom. Little step up into the bathroom.
Wet bathroom.
And nice lighting in here. The sink is pretty big. I'm surprised at the size of the sink. And they have some hand soap, lotion, 2 more cups, for your bathroom, some tissue, garbage, your seasick bags, more storage down there. And then we have our shower.
Is it tall enough for you?
Which are tall. I am 5'10", so a nice size shower in here.
Even Jacob can fit.
And
you got
adjustable
shower gel.
Got the shower gel, shampoo, conditioner combo. I wasn't aware of that. And our adjustable shower head for us tall people. And it looks like there is also a
yeah, there you go.
Little laundry
To dry our swimsuits.
Yeah. So that is about it.
Close lid and push button. Isn't that what they're supposed to do on the plane?
That is what they're supposed to do on the plane, but people don't do that. If you're on a plane using the restroom, please close the lid before you flush it, or else the whole bathroom's wet for the next person, not just the toilet seat. Inside the door, we also have a couple of things for hanging hooks here, so that's nice. Oh, we have a balcony.
Let's go check out the balcony.
Oh, another garbage can underneath the desk.
What kind of view do we have? We have a spotted window.
We have a very dirty window. How do you suppose you open the... Oh, there you go.
You should work out more.
The railing could use a little work here.
Yeah.
What?
It's weathered.
There's some other ships. Is that the...
That's Carnival?
I don't know. It's a Celebrity, I think. So I think we will be quite comfortable in our deluxe balcony cabin. So in researching the cruises that we were going to do, a lot of the last minute deals on Princess, you don't get any extras like onboard credits or anything like that. But we booked through a travel site, which you can do Costco, you can do AAA. We ended up booking through AARP with Rich's AARP account. And so with that, we got an extra $300 onboard credit. So $200 of that has to be on an excursion.
Yeah.
And the other $100 is just anything on board. Since we didn't buy the drink package, we could use it for our drinks or our tips. And so that knocks it down to $1,600.
Yep. Yeah, sure. Because we're going to use all that.
So it's $200 a night.
Yeah. $200 a night for everything included. Have you stayed in a stateroom before? Is that what it's called?
They're all staterooms.
What's it called?
Interior
room. Have you stayed in an interior room?
If so, let us know in the comments below if it was good, bad, or indifferent. Go for a walk?
Let's go.
On our next video, we'll spend 2 days at sea and tour the Regal Princess. If you haven't seen our other video where we spend 2 days at sea aboard the Regal Princess, check it out here. Join us on our next adventure as we continue our cruise to the Caribbean.
Smash that bell. Make sure you subscribe.